Hey, boys and girls, we are starting a new skill today, main idea and details. I'm sure you've heard it before, and we're actually going to also be working on it for the next couple months. But today is our first day. Here on the screen, you'll see the main idea anchor chart that I've posted in our classroom. It is posted on the assignment today, and it's also posted under reading anchor charts. So I'm going to give you just a second. You can pause this video to get out your reading notebook because we're going to take just a few notes. So now that you're back with your reading notebook, we're going to start with the next clean page as always, and we're going to write the date at the top. And today's date is December 16th, 2020, and the short date is 9/16/2020. Now, when I am thinking of main idea and details, I like to think of a triangle, and a triangle always helps me. Now, as always, if I go too fast, you can pause this video or rewatch it at any time. So I've got my heading at the top, and then I have the rest of this clean paper. I am going to start with a big triangle. You may want to pause the video right now to draw your triangle. Okay, then I'm going to divide this triangle into three parts. 1, 2, and 3. This smallest part of the triangle is where I think about the topic. And we're going to write topic next to it. So when we read a story and we're thinking of the topic, we're only thinking of 1 or 2 words that tells us what the entire story is about. So if we're reading a book on oceans, our topic would be oceans. Then when it gets a little bit bigger, I like to think about this part of the triangle like the main idea. And that is one sentence telling us about the whole story. So this would be 1 or 2 words telling us what the whole story is about. This would be one sentence telling us what the whole story is about. And then if you want to divide this bottom part, the biggest part of the triangle, into lots of little parts, these are going to be the details. And details are all the little things in the story. Okay, I'm going to write that under here. All the little things. All the little fancy details. And I'm going to put stars around it because details are what makes stories really interesting. And there's lots of details in a story. So that's why this is the biggest space and we've got lots of blanks here. So this is kind of the way I like to start thinking about main idea, topic, main idea, and details. We start with 1 or 2 words, then we move to one sentence, and then we have all of our little details that's telling us about the story.